Okay, we come back and we arrive here in our entrance. Welcome, we are here near Playa Hermosa. I'm Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate in San Juan del Sur. Our entrance road, parking lot, and here we have a kind of workshop of 1000 square feet. It's 3/4 acre property, so it's in the jungles. I would say we have here like fruit trees as citrus, some mandarin, some lime. There is some plantain here. It's very easy to have. Of course, mango trees. We have here other citrus. Could be probably like 20 trees, 20 fruit trees in total. It's 15 minute, 12 minute drive from San Juan del Sur. We are 10 minutes to Playa Hermosa. So the house works with solar. He has like 6 solar panels and 4 battery. He has his own well and used today a wind pump back on the property. There is rocote also, some fruit trees. The best part of the house is the terrace, shady, cover, large. Facing north to keep fresh. You see the grass is dry, but still here's some papaya tree. I show you what rocote is. Rocote is this green bay. So during the dry season give the fruit, and during winter, the raining season they call, give the leaf.